I remember the Beach Boys. We played Wouldn't It Be Nice while chasing the sun down Pacific Coast Highway. The world felt endless, the ocean permanent, and youth like a law of nature. We drank soda straight from the cooler, arms out windows, singing off-key. Now I check the weather before leaving the house. The road feels narrower. So does the sky. I hear them now in the grocery store, and it doesn't feel like summer. It feels like echo. But I still drive with the windows cracked, still believe in harmonies, still remember the version of me that swore the future was sunshine. The tan faded, the surf quieted, but the song still plays. The golden compass remembers the sound of days we thought would never end.